Good morning, Steve with CCI. And for over 25 years, we've helped over 4,000 laundries automate their business so they can work on it instead of in it, and at the same time maximize their profit potential. I thought I would touch on the future, my thoughts on the future of the laundromat business. As I had recently come out of a conference, the Excellence in Laundry Conference down in Hilton Head a week or so ago, and it's got me thinking about all the participants, all the store owners are there, and there was about half the group, I would say, are existing store owners. Some of them large multi-store operators, have been very successful in the business. Another half of it are likely more new investor style or single store owners looking to expand. And I wonder what people who are trying to get in this business think after seeing some of the larger operators that exist out there. And certainly in my years of being in this business, I've seen a lot of change happen, and I've certainly seen a huge increase in the number of multi-store operators that exist. And I think that's fairly natural in most industries, particularly ones that are good businesses to be in, is that somebody that's successful has a little drive, wants to open store 2, 3, 4, and nowadays we have people with 30, 50, over 100 locations. But what's great about this industry in general is that even if you're looking to open up your first store, if you're having fears or concerns about competing with some of these larger operators, and we're even seeing an uptick in the franchise opportunities in the laundromat business, is that you can still be a single operator, operate, own, whether you build or buy a store, you can compete really well with a large player. And the truth of the matter is that the things that are typically, that franchises or large operators would typically leverage from a scale perspective don't translate quite the same way in laundromats. The only thing out of the whole picture that I believe that a large operator can leverage is maybe purchasing equipment. They probably get a little bit better discount, and they have some systems in place to help them automate. But those are things that can be replicated. You can replicate systems. And in truth, if you have to pay a little bit more for laundry equipment than a large operator or franchise, a franchise is going to pay franchise fees, which is likely going to make up the difference. Or if you're a multi-store owner, you're paying management fees to manage all of these locations that are likely going to make up the difference. So I guess my advice to those newcomers, those people coming in the business, don't be afraid of the competition. Don't be afraid of large operators. You can compete just as strongly as they can. And that's what I have for today. We'll talk to you tomorrow.